Welcome to a new KUNOMAIL tutorial. This video is all about managing email folders. We'll show you how to easily create new folders, rename existing ones, or hide them if needed. What's particularly exciting, KUNOMAIL now also offers the option to customize the order of your folders. This way, you not only keep track of everything, but can also tailor your folder structure to your exact needs. There are two easy ways to manage your email folders in KUNOMAIL. The first is via the Administration menu item. There, you'll find the entry, Manage Email Folders, which will take you directly to the corresponding dialog. Alternatively, you can right-click on any folder in your folder list. A context menu will open, which also contains the Folder Management option. Simply choose the method that's more convenient for you. We are now in the Email Folder Management dialog. At the top of the window, you'll see a selection field that displays all of the email accounts you've configured. Select the account whose folders you want to edit. Once you've selected an account, the associated folder structure will be displayed at the bottom, ready for further adjustments such as renaming, hiding, or sorting. Below the account selection, you'll find the Delete Local Folders button. This function is helpful if you want to completely reload your email account's local folder structure from the server. For example, if there are display issues or synchronization errors. With IMAP accounts, you can perform this step at any time without losing data, as all emails are still securely stored on the server. The situation is different with POP3 accounts. Here, emails are stored locally. Deleting folders can therefore lead to data loss if no backup was performed beforehand. For this reason, we generally recommend avoiding POP3 and using IMAP instead. Another area of email folder management is the display of email account capacity. Here, you can see at a glance how much storage space your email account is using in total and how much is still free. If you also activate the Show Number of Emails and Size checkbox, you will be shown how many emails are in each folder and how much storage space they are using. This gives you a detailed overview of the storage distribution within your account, ideal for quickly identifying large folders and cleaning them up specifically. To create a new folder in your email account, first select the folder under which you want to insert the new folder. You can therefore insert the new folder anywhere in your folder structure. In our example, we want to create a folder for private emails right next to the inbox. To do this, we enter Private in the Name field and set the position to 2 to place it directly below the inbox. Since this is a separate folder, the folder type remains set to Custom. By clicking Create, the new folder is immediately created in your email account, exactly in the desired location. Of course, the name, sorting position, and, if necessary, the folder type of an existing folder can be adjusted at any time. To do so, simply select the relevant folder in the list, make the desired changes in the fields, and then save them. And this keeps your folder structure flexible and can be adapted to new requirements or preferences at any time. The folder type determines the function a folder performs within your email account, for example, as inbox, outbox, spam, trash, or another special system folder. If emails don't arrive in the correct folder, it's recommended that you first check whether the folder type is set correctly. At the same time, this feature also gives you the opportunity to organize your folder structure in a targeted manner. For example, you can create a separate inbox for each year to neatly separate incoming emails. To do this, simply rename your existing inbox, for example, to Inbox 2024, and set the folder type to Archive. Then create a new folder with the type Inbox, which will be used for all new emails from now on. Please note, the folder type is only saved when you click the Set button, and not the general Save button. This concludes our tutorial on email folder management in KUNOMAIL. You've now learned all the important features for efficiently creating, editing, and customizing your folders to your needs. This way, you'll always have an overview and can design your folder structure with complete flexibility. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your email accounts.